By the end of this lesson, you will learn how you can create this transparent bubble material in Blender. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, welcome to the lesson. First thing first, I am using Blender 5, and from here you can first thing first you can just go to the file and create a new project and just select the cube and camera and press delete to delete this. Now next thing what we are going to do, press shift A and just create a UV sphere and just change its number of segment to 64, and from here just press right click and click on shade smooth. Now next thing what we are going to do, just bring it up here and change it to the shader editor. Now from here just change the from object to the word, as we want to just place our HDR beside behind the object, as this is our word. So first thing, just from here press shift A and search for the environment texture, and if I just connect this and switch to the render mode, you can see our word is just pink like. Now here we want to add our HDR or EXER file, and you can just download the HDR or EXER file from Polyheaven and any other website like Polygon or cco0texture.com. From here just go to the asset and click on HDRIs, and from here you can just search for the, just for example, forest, and you can download any one of these. From here you can just see, and just for example I just click on this, and from here you can just switch to the HDR or EXER file. So HDR and EXE are not same. Basically HDR is basically a concept and XZR is a file format, and from here you can download the texture of 1K, 2K, 4K, 8K, and just click on download, as I already download. And now just go to the Blender, and from here just click on open and go to the download and search for where you have save your uh, download your XZR or HDR file. As from here you can see I have download two, so I just select the launcher waterfall and just click on open. So here you can see just we have uh, place our HDR file or XZR file just in the scene. Now what we are going to do, I want to just place a camera. So for this press shift A and just click on search for the camera, and now I want to align the camera with our object. So for this press Control Alt and numpad 0. So here you can see our camera is just, you can also just go to the view and align view, and from here you can just select the align active camera view. Now just go to the view, you can use the key press N. You can just go to view and just select the camera to view. Now where I move our camera, you can see our object is follow. Now here you can just zoom the just like this, and from here you can just turn this off. You can also just select this one and control T, press control T, and for this mapping and texturing you must enable your add-on just node wrangler, you have to enable this. Now you can also just from here change the direction to the this one. Perfect. Now switch to the object mode, and from here just select the sphere and just create a new material, and I just bring it up here and press N to hide this one. And now just select this and press delete. You can see the color of our object is, the material of our object is now black. Now first thing, search for the mix shader. So we have to mix different shaders with this node, and just search for the layer weight and just bring it up here. And also now search for the transparent BSTF shader, and now just search for the just search for the just search for the gloss BSTF, Now you can also press shift A and search for the hue saturation, and also just search for the noise texture. Perfect. Now one last thing that we have, we just connect the shader to surface and our facing to the factor, and this BST, transparent BST, to this shader. As this is a mix shader, you can see the result, and from here you can just select this one to this. So here you can see our transparent bubble is created. Now you can just select this, not this color. A new user just select this one, and you can see we have to connect this shader, this view value, to this one, and from here you can just select the color to color. So here you can see color, transparent color like bubble is created, and from here you can just, you have to play with these values. And from if I just reduce the, just change the scale to 2 and detail to 0 and also roughness to 0, and from here I have to increase the saturation to 3 and also value to 2, just 2. Here you can see. So here you have, in this video you have learned how you can create the transparent bubble in bubble material in Blender. You can also, if I just increase the value to 5, and from here you can just, you can also play with these values, so you can get different results. So for this I just put to 2. Perfect. So if you like the video, please share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any problem you can ask me in the comment. And also I am going to start the material series in future, so please subscribe the channel. See you in future.